Tonight, I'm wearing the same outfit I wore the day that you left. I remember how you smelled it the night before, like cotton candy and horrible decisions. I remember how the sunrise hit your peaceful, sleeping face, how being in your arms felt like home. How I woke you with a kiss, and you responded with a faint smile, and then asked me what time it was. I remember how I wanted to turn our last few moments into infinity, but we only had 5 minutes left. How does one condense years and years and years of emotion into 300 seconds? I love you. No, I'm kidding. I'm sorry. I really can't stand you. I fucking hate you. No, I didn't mean it. I'm sorry. I really do love you. 245. How could you do this to me? 220. I'm here. Choose me. 187. I promise I'll be stronger this time. 120. Stay. 100. Who do you think you are? How dare you leave 45? I need you. 15. Kiss me, God damn it, before I go crazy. 3. Love me. All I ever wanted was for you to love me. But these are the things I can never say out loud. I never had the courage to. I still don't.